We are doing a mitigation job in Schaumburg, Illinois. Came out and inspected it about 10 days ago. Suffered water damage throughout this common area and into a few offices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 or 8 offices. Everything is going to be cut at 2 feet high. Our guys are starting the cutting and drywall. So removing some drywall here, still saturated. You can see how wet and how soft this paper is, and just comes off real easy. Drywall is still saturated. Moisture is probably about at least a foot, 12 to 15 inches high. Some of the walls have insulation, some don't.